Hi, Neil McLaughlin here with another episode of DIY Insurance Claims, your resource, free resource for everything insurance. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a declarations page. What is a declarations page? The declarations page, commonly referred to as a deck page by people in the insurance industry, is a overall view of your insurance policy, a snapshot, if you will, usually in one page. And what it's going to cover are things such as who is insured, who is covered, who is the insuring agency, carrier, or company that's providing the coverage to the insured. It's going to specifically address the address of the property or risks that are being covered under the policy. It's going to put down an address for the insured, which may or may not be the same address as the covered property. In addition, it'll cover things such as deductibles, the time period, meaning the period of time that the policy will be in effect, usually a 12-month period. Also covered in a deck page will be the limits of coverage, which is the amount of coverage that the insurance carrier is extending for this particular policy. These are some of the things that are covered in a declaration page, and it's important for you to understand to have your declaration page available to you in the event that you do sustain a loss that you feel may or may not be covered by your policy. It's an easy way for you to check and see if the coverage was in effect, because insurance, we know, is time specific, as well as reviewing some of the essential items in your coverage. Thanks again. This is Neil McLaughlin for DIY Insurance Claims. Have a great day.